Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a classic muscle car that defines an era, the 1970 Pontiac GTO. This beautiful sandy-colored beauty is a real piece of automotive history, and we're going to take a closer look at what makes it so special. Whether you're a muscle car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates fine engineering, this ride is sure to impress. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the exterior. The 1970 Pontiac GTO has a bold and aggressive stance. The sandy color we've got here is definitely eye-catching, complementing the car's sleek lines and muscular proportions. With its wide front grille, iconic hood scoops, and those unmistakable round headlights, this car just screams power. You can tell it means business. The car also features subtle yet sharp body contours, giving it a refined but menacing look. It's one of those cars that has presence whether it's parked or tearing down the road. And let's not forget about the chrome accents that add that touch of elegance to the overall bold design. Moving on to the interior, the 1970 GTO keeps it simple yet stylish, with an emphasis on comfort and functionality. Inside, you'll find a clean, driver-focused cockpit that's both straightforward and a bit nostalgic. The bucket seats have a comfortable, supportive design, perfect for those long cruises or high-performance drives. The dashboard, with its classic analog gauges, maintains that retro vibe while providing all the necessary info. The steering wheel, also retro-styled, fits perfectly in the hands, and the whole interior feels like you're stepping back in time, but still with a sense of luxury. Now let's talk about performance, the real heart and soul of any muscle car. Under the hood, the 1970 Pontiac GTO is equipped with a range of engine options, including the mighty 400 cubic inch V8. But the real standout is the 455 HO engine, which offers a thrilling 360 horsepower and a ton of torque. This car was built to race, with acceleration that'll push you back in your seat. The GTO can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 6 seconds, which was blistering fast for the era. Whether you're cruising or pushing it on the open road, the GTO delivers an unforgettable driving experience. The handling, too, is surprisingly precise for a car of this size, giving you that perfect balance between raw power and control. As for pricing, the 1970 Pontiac GTO was a bit of a premium car back in the day, and it's only appreciated in value since. Back in the 70s, you could expect to pay anywhere from $3,500 to $4,000 depending on the options and trim level, which was quite a bit of money at the time. But today, if you're lucky enough to find one in good condition, prices can range anywhere from $30,000 to over $100,000, especially for the rare and well-maintained models or those with the 455 engine option. So, this isn't exactly a budget-friendly ride, but for the muscle car enthusiast or collector, it's an investment worth considering. To wrap things up, the 1970 Pontiac GTO is a classic that still commands respect. With its stunning design, powerful performance, and timeless appeal, it's no wonder it remains a favorite among car lovers. Whether you're looking for a piece of history or just want a thrilling ride, the GTO doesn't disappoint. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and automotive content. Catch you in the next one.